Oh. Hello, the internet. My name's Mike. I'm here with my buddy Hawk. We are Mike Hawk Audio, and we're going to teach you how to be a Foley artist.
All right, so today we're going to be using the Tascam DR40. It costs about $275. So we're doing an on-the-budget Foley artist video today. And then we're going to use the Shure SM57. It's pretty much indestructible for the most part.
Really? So could you, like, drop it off a skyscraper?
What the fuck? Okay, when would I ever be on top of the fucking skyscraper?
Recording pigeons?
So you're saying you're saying that I would go on top of a skyscraper to record pigeons?
Yeah, man. It's all about that location and the natural sound environment.
And in this situation where I'm on top of a skyscraper recording pigeons, I'm just going to magically just drop it on the ground?
Yes.
No, it would not survive that.
Oh, then it's not indestructible, you liar. We are attempting to record a collision of a pool stick and a pool ball. And yeah, we're going to try it. That was too soft. I have to turn the gain up, which is how much the thing boosts the signal of the microphone. And now we are all the way up and ow! Fuck. That hurt my ears, so maybe it doesn't need to be that much. Could we try this one more time? And I think we got it, Mr. Hawk. All right, we are now recording the collision of a dart with a dartboard. And now, when working in a hazardous environment, remember safety is important. So always wear your safety shades. All right, we are good to go. Oh! All right, I think we. Oh! I think we got it. You have to remember in working with animals to be very, very careful not to disturb them in their natural environment.
Bark, 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 bark. Bark, bark, bark. Bark, bark, bark. Go away from me. Bark, bark. Fuck off. Bark, bark. I mean it. Leave me alone. Bark. Bark, bark. For real. I'm out of here. Bark, 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 bark.
All right, now we will discuss the importance of the 7 and the boosh technique. The 7 technique is so that in post-processing, you can properly equalize your mix just to get that crisp sound. The boosh technique is the proper way to set your gain in a reverb environment. So for our reverb environment, we're using the Common Household Toilet. So first we're going to set our gain. Boosh. 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 All right, I think we're good. 7. 7. 7. And we are good to record our final track. Oh yeah. Listen to that. All right, now we're gonna sneak up on an unsuspecting suspect. He has absolutely no idea. How do you feel? How do you feel? How do you feel?
I feel pretty good.
That's good to know.